How to make money online in 2023. Affiliate marketing is one of the most famous ways of bringing in cash on the web. Over time, its fame has gone all over, however it keeps on being a steady method for procuring through the web. The greatest aspect of subsidiary promoting is that you look over a tremendous scope of organizations to join forces with, including Shopify, Amazon, Uber, and FabFitFun. Affiliate marketing lets you make money by promoting different brands. If you're a smart advertiser, you can procure a commission from deals by advancing retail items, programming, applications, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. While procuring a commission might appear to be little, remember that you can be a partner for a few brands and incorporate a few subsidiary connections on a solitary blog entry.